Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to these little short tips to help make your PC builds just that much better. Today we're going to talk about fans. Not all fans are made the same. In fact, not only are they just different sizes, but they actually also have different functions. Right here we have an airflow fan versus what's called a high static pressure fan. Airflow fans, measured in CFM or cubic feet per minute, are all about pushing air in unimpeded circumstances through your case. High static pressure fans are made for pushing air through very resisted places. So think of as high static as for radiators, CPU coolers, and for like hard drive cages, and then airflow for unimpeded like open areas just to move things through. Hopefully this makes your build better and it makes it a little bit cooler.